Okay. So today we'll know like what is if else. Okay. So in Java, the if else statement is used to conditional branching, allowing us to execute different blocks of code based on the evaluation of a Boolean expression. Okay. So, so am I doing any wrong thing here? So yes, like can anyone tell me what I did wrong here? You cannot give I as a capital in if. Okay, it will give you the error, compilation error.
Yes, sir.
That is case sensitive. So in Java, the if statement is used for conditional branching. Okay. So it allowing us to execute different blocks of code based on the evaluation of a Boolean expression. Okay. So here we actually give a condition. Okay. So Boolean expression means we actually know like it is actually take as a true or false. Okay. So that's mean we need to perform the that mathematical like arithmetic uh, expression over there, right? So here we like give the conditional conditions. So next we will see the syntax. Okay. So let's see like day 3, today is day 4. So so basically what is the syntax? So first we will do what? If, and we give condition over here. Okay, so like okay, this is condition we actually give over here. And within if we will write some code. Okay, code to be executed. Okay, if the condition is true. The condition is true. Okay. So if this condition is true, okay, then it will execute this block of code. If this condition is false, then it will come to this else part. Okay. So like we are learning if else, right? So there should be two conditions. Like we actually know that we will do this as a Boolean expression, like evaluate the Boolean expression. So there should be some true and there should be some false to execute. Okay. So if this condition become false, it need to be redirect to some other things. Okay. So it will redirect to else portion. So here code to be executed if the condition is false. Okay. Okay. That's good. Uh, so this is the syntax. Okay. Why I use there? Because it is here already structurized. Okay. So it is easy. So let's see. This is the syntax and we will know like how if else work actually. Okay. See. So like we already know, right? So there is already how it actually works. Okay. So if else work. So basically like here it is condition, like condition we are giving. So say like uh, in first what we actually check the condition, like whatever the condition. So the condition is a expression that evaluate the Boolean value. Okay. Is true false. True or false. Second point, like if the condition evaluate to true, the code block, whatever inside the if, it will be executed. Okay. If suppose yes, say someone raise hand. Who raise a hand? Anyone having any doubts, question? Like someone raised hand, right? Okay. So if the condition evaluates to true, the code block inside the if block will be executed. Okay. True. Then what it will do? The code code block inside if block. Okay, it will execute. And third one, what we have? Like third one, it will, if the condition evaluate to false, the whatever the code inside the else block will be executed. Okay. So and there is, you guys already know, there's also a called like else if. Okay. There's also a condition like portion else if. Okay. So what else if will do? Like else if, like it is used to specify a new condition to test. Okay, if the first and second condition become false, it will switch to else if block. Okay, you can give like number of conditions. Okay, like number of options over there. Like here is if this condition is getting false, okay, then it will jump to else portion, right? So whenever this else portion is false, like it can jump to else if portion. Okay, you can do like else if like that. Okay, else if. So this is the, okay, getting. Uh, I have done something wrong. Can anyone tell me what I have did wrong?
Sir, if
It will
Read
comes.
we write if
EILP.
Yeah,
after LP
yeah,
and
yeah.
last we
Correct.
write else.
That else will be at last. Okay. It will comes in between if else. It will comes in between if else. Whatever the else if we are going to do, right? Yeah. Basically, here we do like else if, and here else if we use the block of code like else if, and we are giving the condition, like whatever the condition is needed, we are passing condition. Okay, and this else part is like whatever the condition that those are not satisfied, if any of the condition we are giving here, right? If any of condition getting false, it will jump to the else portion. Okay, so like that. If this condition become false, it will jump to the next condition. Okay, it will check what whatever the next. Okay, so now it's good. like so like here actually what it will do, like like use LC to specify, yes, to specify a block of new condition, you can say, like it will specify a new condition to test if the first condition is false. Okay. So first, let's see some example. Suppose, like, let's take a variable, like declare a variable which is age. Okay, that integer age, and you are passing some age value, right? So suppose pass 30. Well, this will be the age. Mhm. And next, here we will give the condition. Okay. So like what will be the like condition? Actually, what we use? Basically, we use here logical condition from mathematics, like whatever the thing we actually know, right? So if you see, like previously we already done, right? This is the like logical comparison over here. This is logical operator, and these are the these are the operator, like whatever we do actually, these are the comparison. Now we are going to compare, right? Now this thing will happen. Okay, that, and here like, so say like condition, conditions and if statement. Okay, because why if statement? We are going to use the condition within the if statement, right? So here are the conditions. Okay, these are the comparison operators we are going to use as a conditional statement. Okay. So let's see, like say here, say one thing like age, we already take a age, right? So say age, and we give a condition over here, like say greater than equals to, uh, say you will be adult when you are 18 or 19. Okay. Like 18, say suppose the block of code to be executed here. Okay. Like we just basically shout here. Okay, whatever. And now what we are going to do, we are going to pass one string. Like it will say you are adult now. Okay, you are adult. Okay. So if this condition is if this condition, like how it will check over here, it will check whatever the user gave the value as age. Okay, now age become 30, right? So it will check, see, like if else, like, yeah, like, and bring it side. Okay. Okay. So just for a time being, I'm just blocking this else if. Okay. We will different example we will see. Like, yeah, you can say like here we can give else this will print what? This will print like you are not an adult. Okay. Shout. Okay. So save it. And here we are going, here is 30, right? So it will check over here or it will comes to here. If the condition is true, it will print this one. If the condition is false, it will print comes over here and print this. Okay. Execute whatever the code I. Let's see. Uh, you are an adult. So why you are an adult? Because it is saying like whatever the age, if it is like greater than 18 or equals to 18, it should print this one. If suppose you say like I'm giving here like 15 and it becomes 15 over here, right? Save and run. So here it will say like you are not an adult. Okay. Suppose unlock this and here suppose give another condition that age like age less than uh less than equals to what you say like give a age like 3 years. Okay. So basically it will like say this is a newborn like it already is. Okay. Just for example, I'm just uh, say like okay, save it and suppose like suppose if I give like say like here don't give three like here you say five and here you gave like 3 or 4. So so this will execute this line. Okay. So you can add as much condition as you want in the form of else if. Okay. This statement. This will extend your condition. Okay. How many condition you want to give? You can just use the else if and you can give number of conditions. Okay. Okay. So basically, we already know like else statement, if statements, else statement, and else if statement, right? How it actually works. And now we are going to know like anyone heard of like shorthand if else? Anyone here? Okay, no one. I assume that no one like
What's that?
shorthand if else. Have you heard of it? Shorthand if else.
नेस्टेड तो पता सॉर्टेड पता नहीं.
Okay, okay. No problem. See like how it actually done, like shorthand if else. So basically shorthand if else is also like if else, okay, in which we know like it is a ternary operator because it consists of three operand. Okay. So like how it actually like three operand we actually use. Okay. So condition expression true or expression false within a line, in a single line. Okay. Like here we are doing whole lot of in multiple lines, right? In multiple line we are giving the condition and we are checking. So in shorthand, so okay. So basically, we can use this to replace multiple line of code within a single line, and it is most often used to replace the simple simple of if else. Okay, like we are declaring multiples line, we are doing the code. Okay, so in shorthand, we basically do it in single line. Okay, like uh, how it actually done, like. So basically, why actually we use shorthand? So because like it can be used to replace the multiple line. Okay, multiple lines of code. So let's see the syntax for shorthand. If else, okay. Syntax. Let's see syntax. So first, what we do, like first we give the variable. Okay, whatever the variable we are using, like variable here is age, right? We actually give the variable first. Okay, like in single line, how it actually looks like. Variable equals to here comes the condition portion. Okay, condition, and it is a ternary operator. And first is the expression true after colon. We gives expression false. Okay, like true false, whatever the true, like we are printing something, right? The expression. Okay, I will explain. So expression true and we have expression false, like true, expression true, and after that you need to give this colon. Okay, and there is expression false. So this expression true and expression false, what this will do? So basically, this will do the what you are giving condition, right? So let me just copy. So here create another class. So basically what we actually do, first we are declaring something. Suppose take like integer time. Okay. And give the time, we are declaring a variable time and the value suppose say like 20, like 20 hours. And here we are going to use shorthand if else. So basically what we are going to do, we are declared and suppose like we are going to show this result. Okay, so declare a variable and this whatever the thing, right, printing over there, it will print as a text. Okay, so basically we are going to like it will always like in string form. Okay, so because like here if you see this line, right, it is already in string format. Okay, these are whatever you are getting the output, it is in string format. Okay, so there need to be like condition to like execute. Okay, so for that there is expression true and expression false that will perform this code that need to be executed as true. Okay, so basically whatever the expression like here paste this, like here variable we are going to create for this like time. Okay, like it will give the result. Okay, and here is the condition we are giving, and what expression will do, expression will print. Okay, this expression true, if it is a string format, it will be a string format. Okay, and this also a string format. Okay, so basically, and variable we should declare as a string. Okay, so don't give this a result and need to like you are getting right. So if else there is a condition there. Okay, and we are going to give the condition in a single line. After that, we are going to use that ternary expression that which is apostrophes like. Okay, and after that we are going to pass the value, that expression over there. Okay, see like how the condition, that condition what we are going to give, like whatever we declared over here, right, previously condition, we are passing this variable over here. Okay, so same things we do, and we pass time, and we are going to give the condition like lesser than, and give 18. Okay, so yeah, that's good. So basically if this condition is satisfied, right, so this will print here whatever I want to print. Okay, so say like good day. Okay, and if it is false, this condition is false, it will print this one. Okay, whatever the expression you are giving. Okay, so now shout pass result. Okay, save it and run the code. Okay, let's see what is the output. Good evening. So here it is printing good evening. So why? Because 20 is greater than 18, right? That's right. So give that 17. Okay, save it and run one. Oh, good day. Everyone got it right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is a shorthand defense. Okay. So it actually like reduce the code and do the code in one line. Okay. So next we have switch. Okay.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes.
Sir, first
Hello.
if we have more than two expressions.
Like for that, we are going to declare another line and we can pass that. Okay. Same way. Okay. Condition. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So next, what we have Java switch. I think. Yeah. Java switch. So what is Java switch? Okay, what is this? Java switch. Okay, so in Java, the switch statement provides an alternative way to make decision based on the value of an expression. Okay, it allows us to execute different code blocks based on the value of the expression. Okay, see, like first let me give the description, and after that I will come to example. Okay, so in after completing the core, I will share this to you. Okay. Provides an alternative way to make a decision. Basically, it allows us to execute different code blocks based on the value of the expression.
Hmm.
Okay. So let's see the syntax. Okay. So basically what will be the syntax? So we don't give condition over here, we give expression. Okay. So see the syntax, switch statement, switch, and inside the braces, we just give the expression. Okay. Like, and inside switch, there is lot of cases. Okay. Like case, case one. Okay. So we don't give the semicolon over there. We just give colon. Okay. Case one, and say like break, break. After that, case two, give colon, break. So basically, this is the syntax, like break and case, like number of cases you can declare. Okay, here as per the expression. And at last there is, you can give one thing like default. Okay. Basically what default will do. Okay. And so like default or here, and say break. There is also continue also, we will discuss. Okay. So basically what it will do, like whatever the value you are giving, like expression, and you are giving whatever the, it checks. Okay. Whatever the expression you are giving over here, right? So it checks in this cases. Okay. It is matching or not. Case one or case two. Okay. It is need to match. Okay. Like here I can give like three, that three should match with this three. Okay. Case three. Okay. This is the expression we called. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, after default, there is no break statement, sir.
Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Like there is need to be some code need to be executed over here. Okay. If
Yes,
if
sir.
if there is yeah, correct. If there anything that not match with this expression, okay, it will basically print the default, whatever the default over here. Okay. Yeah, correct. That's the thing. Yeah. Yeah. Like one of you are getting my mistakes. Like all are like listening. That's good thing. Yeah. Good. Mm. Like whatever you are going to give over here. Okay. So whatever expression you are going to give, it will actually check over here. Same thing like here also break, sorry. This case also. And here it will check for two. And here it will check for three. Okay. So this is the syntax. Okay. So default will do what? The code to be executed if none of the above cases matches. Okay. That's good. Okay. Okay. So basically how it works actually, you guys already know, right? Let's see the examples, some of examples. Okay, if let me explain the step. I can go. Okay, you guys want me to explain the step, right? Okay, let's see.
Yes, sir.
Let's see how it actually works. Okay. Let's see. So there is three things. Okay, you need to understand the switch case. Okay. So first, like the expression is evaluated, okay, and its value is compared with the value specified in the case level. Okay, so basically this is at the expression, and this value will do what? This value will specified in the case level. This is the case level. Okay, so and its value is come. Okay. Number two, what we are, if the value of the expression matches any of the case level, the corresponding code block will be executed. Like if the expression here is like 1, it will matching 1. So this will execute this block of code under this case 1 and it will break over here. Okay. Got it? Sorry. Like, yeah, if by value, not value, any of the cases. So it will do what? It will like the corresponding code block will be executed. Next we have. Okay. So basically what it will do, if there is no case present in the expression, okay, such cases, so it will go to default, and whatever the code inside the default, it will print then. Okay, so let's see some examples of it. Suppose here is expression already like break case, and yeah. So now say we are going to declare something like, so first we need to initialize some variable like values. Okay, like int. Okay, and like there is like we know 7 weeks, like 7 days in a week, right? So say 7. Like for this, there should be 7 cases. Need to be 7 cases specified. Okay. Four, 7, and here say 4, 5. And say like give some, like it will go vice versa over here. Like uh, now give some. Now what expression we need to pass here? We need to pass this variable. Okay. So, okay. So say if case 1 is like present, so we will shout like this is Sunday. Say so change the thing Sunday. Okay. Say suppose give here like it will print like whatever the value you are giving. Okay. That whatever the case it's having. Okay. It's only have 7 case for 7 days, right? So basically it will print whatever the case 7 having, it will print. Okay. Let's see. It is print Saturday. Because here it find like whatever value I put here, it is taking this expression, right? So whatever this expression having the value, right? It is checking the case. And after like printing this statement, it will break. It will not continue. Okay. So there is another keyword called continue. Okay, if you already know. So what continue will do if suppose say like I give like here instead of break, I am giving continue, right?
So
So
continue statement.
okay, sorry, so continue statement will not comes here. Break. Okay, so basically continue statement will come in different statement. Okay, it is not okay. So break. Okay. So yeah, there is continue also. Okay, like not inside here switch case, there is also continue. We will discuss that later. Okay. So suppose change this 7 to 8 and run. So there is no such case. It will. So basically whatever you like, what like number of cases you can create. Okay. And you can pass those cases as an expression over here. Okay. So everyone got this right? Switch case.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I get it.
So next we have while loop. Okay. So basically what is while? Okay. So what is while loop in Java? So in Java, the while loops is control flow statement that allow us to repeatedly execute a block of code as long as a certain condition is true. Okay. And the while loop evaluates the condition before each iteration. Okay. And if the condition is true, the loop or body will be executed. Okay. If the condition is false, it initializes and the loop body will not be executed. Okay. So basically what while loop do, like loop can be executed in a block of code as long as a specified condition is reached. Okay. This is the thing. See, like in Java, while loop is control flow statement that allow us to repeatedly execute a block of code as long as certain condition is true. Okay. The while loop evaluates the condition before each iteration. Okay. And if the condition is true, the loop will be executed. If the condition is false, the loop will not be executed. Let's see the syntax. So coming to the LDV. Yes. So see the syntax. Okay, just wait for a minute. Just wait. Sorry for waiting, you guys. Like I have some calls to receive. Okay. So let's see the syntax. So what is the syntax of while loop? So while, and we need to give the condition. Okay, like okay. So basically what it will do, like this is the syntax. Okay. So let's,
Sir,
yes.
sir, inside increment decrement.
Yes, didn't get you. Hello.
Hello, yes, sir.
There's someone having
Sir, after
Vikash,
the
you can
condition,
mute
yes,
yourself,
sir.
like someone having some noise coming. Because yeah, say.
Sir, after the condition, we can print the code.
Yes.
After that, we increment or decrement the condition.
Yes, that you can say, like whatever you are, you can do the increment counting. Okay. That will iteration, next iteration. Okay. You can do
Yes, sir.
that. Here, whatever the condition you are giving, right? So you are saying like whatever the code is, code block to be executed, that whatever you are giving, like condition, not condition, whatever the variable you are passing as a condition.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. The
So
iteration.
that's need to be increment. Yeah. So if I say like int a and equals to some value, like say 2, and that we pass over here, right? So the condition need to be checked that A is like lesser than equals to say 5, and whatever the code here is need to be executed as. Okay, suppose say like here we are passing like code and we are going to increment it. Okay. Okay, that's the thing. That what you are saying, right? We can do, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, if we do not pass any increment or decrement operator, the while loop is execute only once. Yes, sir.
Like it is execute once, okay, because you are not like giving the increment decrement, right? So it will check the condition actually, okay.
Okay.
It will not do the increment portion. It will just check the condition. If it is true, like it will print or it will like do the uh, uh, execution. Okay.
Sir, execute only once.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah. So basically the say, coming to the thing. Okay. So this will be the syntax. Okay. I'm just this is the while portion. Okay. Don't get confused. There is another thing in while also. We will see. It will comes before while. Okay. This is the condition. And let's see. Okay, so here the condition is an expression that evaluates. Okay, so like the condition which we are passing here, right? So the condition is an expression that evaluates to a Boolean value, true or false. Okay. Like yeah. Uh, it will executed like repeatedly. Okay, not once. Condition like need to be like there should be increment decrement. Okay. Now we are working with loops, so you like give the increment decrement. The increment decrementation part is there. Okay, so you need to give. That's I already say like it is doing the repeatedly thing. Execute the block of code. So like body, what do you mean by body? Body means the code inside the curly braces. Okay, whatever the code we are actually going to. This is the body portion. So basically, like after like each item, like what we say, like someone is like somebody say like iteration, somebody say iteration, whatever it is. After each iteration, the condition is reevaluated. Okay, if the condition is still true, the loop continues to the next iteration because of the what you say like increment. Okay, whatever you are giving. So okay. So let's see the example. So basically this iteration is doing like it is checking if the condition is still true, like whatever the incrementing or decrementing value we are doing. Okay, so it will do its work like whenever it becomes zero, okay, it will reach its end position, it will stop executing. Okay, like it will jump to the next statement or it will stop. Okay. Say basically, yeah, say INTI and say like I greater than one and and here what we are doing, we are that I minus minus error by error. Okay. So basically it will do what? It will check. Okay, and it will check like I is 5 and I is greater than 1. The statement is true. Okay, and it will print 5. Okay, Okay. So basically, and it will decrement by one. Each and every time it will decrement by one whenever it becomes zero or like less than like one or less than one, it will like execute. Okay. See like how it, okay, is why okay, okay. So here is some basic mistake I have done. Never get confused. Okay, whenever you just do some mistake, don't get confused. Okay, there's some you can do fix. Okay, okay, got it. So how it is actually decrementing the thing. Okay, so the base value is 5 and here is condition is 1. So if I say like equals to, then it will print the 1 also. Okay, because I don't give equals to, so it is like I greater than 1. 1 will not print because it is not equals to, right? So say equals to and it will print up to 1. Okay. Everyone got this, right?
Yes, sir.
So next what we have do while. Okay. So this is while. Okay. So there is also another thing do. So the do while loop is a variant of while loop actually. This loop actually will execute the block of code once before checking if the condition is true. Then it will repeat the loop as long as the condition is true. Okay. Okay. So, so uh, okay. So do while loop is a variant of a while loop. Okay. So this loop will execute the code block once before checking the condition is true. Okay. Then it will repeat the loop as long as the condition is true. So let's see the syntax. Okay. Uh, do like here we just do the code. Okay. So we give condition here, whatever the condition. So like how it actually happens, like see, suppose like taking a variable which is a equals to anything like zeros, and here what we do, we just print. Okay, here it is here in do section, in do block. What we actually do, we just shout. Okay, we just shout and we do the increment or decrement. Whatever we are going to do, we just whatever the incrementation and decrementation, it comes under do portion. Okay, and in while we just give the condition only. Yeah. So say like here, and like I'm incrementing this a plus plus, and just I'm passing a condition like how long it will check actually. Okay, so a, suppose give a is lesser than 10. Okay. So basically what it will do, we actually initialize the a value 0. So it will start from 0. So 0 less than 10, yes, it is true. Okay, so it will come over. First it will like do the print, okay, do, and it will check the condition over here. Okay, and after that it will do the incrementation. Okay, are you getting like everyone? So here is 0, right? So while it is doing, like while it checks the condition, okay, and it comes under here like checking condition, yeah, it is true. So that's mean it will print the value, whatever the value it having, a having 0. So this printing, next it will come to the do portion and it will do the print over here. And it will, after printing the 0, like it will increment the 0 by 1. Okay, so next one will goes here, like comes here, and it will check like yeah, 1 is lesser than 10. So it will comes again here and it will print 1. Again, after printing 1, it will do the increment by 1, that becomes 2. Okay, that loop will go on. Okay, see if I run the code. Okay. So what are we do while loop? Okay. And got it? How it first it will check why. Okay. After that it will comes under the do portion. Okay. First it will actually check the condition first. Okay. Then it comes to do portion. It first it will check and then it will print. And then after printing it will do the incrementing and decrementing whatever the you are giving. Okay. Condition. Everyone got this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's already 8:30. So yeah, let it today. So yes, up to we covered up to while and do while. Okay. So basically it takes long like to understand. So there is for loop and break and continue. Okay, so we will see this in next session, which will be in Monday. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So yeah, thank you everyone for joining the session. And
Thank you, sir.
so
Thank
I'll
you, sir.
stop recording.